Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in the life weekly vlog. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving with your family. I'm personally very thankful for you guys, so yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing time with your family. I'm gonna be cooking today. I'm gonna use one of Terri Kitchen's recipes, mac and cheese recipe. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna make candied yams, and I'm also gonna make I'm gonna attempt to make a banana pudding. So those are my three dishes that I'm gonna try to make today. We're gonna do my milk. So I'm gonna make it cold. Okay, it's plugged in. All right, so we're gonna do cold frothed milk. I got this at Home Goods yesterday. I was gonna say I got the shade. I got the flavor cinnamon dolce, and it also came with this one called s'mores. I've actually seen this on a YouTube channel. Her name is HappyStylishMommy, and I like her vlogs, so I know that she has shown this on her channel. So when I saw it at Home Goods yesterday, I definitely picked it up. This is done now, so I'm gonna go get my iced coffee hyper chiller machine. I also picked up some caramel the other day because I was watching another vlogger. Her name is Alyssa Lenore, I think. I can't remember, but I'll link it down below. She was using like caramel in her iced coffee, so I was like, you know what, on my weekend days when I'm not doing intermittent fasting and a little more chillax with my calories, then I'm gonna use a little bit of this. But honestly, it's really not that much. Like, it's 110 calories for 2 tablespoons, and I'm not using anywhere near 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Like, I literally probably use like 2 teaspoons of it, so I use like a fraction of this in my latte or coffee or whatever. Latte, I guess. You guys know this goes in here. I could never do this without getting it, like, I can never do this and not have it be messy. That, ooh, like outside. So like this little bit is not much. So we're gonna do 2 pumps. It's Thanksgiving and we're being risque. This is my iced coffee with my ice. It looks amazing. Cannot wait to taste this. It tastes really good. All right, so I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm not doing Vlogmas where it's like everyday videos. I'm gonna do my weekly vlogs, but I'm going to have like holiday content within them just because it's the holiday season. I'm gonna do Christmas shopping, decorating my tree, stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that in those vlogs, so it's gonna be like Christmassy. So yeah, anyways, this is my Vlogmas notebook. I'm gonna write down some ideas. So I'm on Terri Kitchen's channel, and I'm gonna be using her mac and cheese recipe. So let me see if she has it in a playlist. Oh no, I definitely watched it already, but I wanted to rewatch it just to make sure, you know, I get it right. So this is what it looks like. God. All right, so this is everything, all the ingredients. Then we want to do candied yam. Yes, I am tracking UPS in this other window in my computer. I've been tracking my packages. Like, where are you? Where you at, girl? All right, candied. I just got done doing the candied yams. I scraped the pan and put them in the dish. Let me show you guys. They're baking. Ooh, sorry. This is the mac and cheese and the candied yams right here. I did bake the potatoes. Well, I did cook the potatoes in the Instant Pot first, which was super easy. I was able to cook them in here and then do something else while they were cooking. So basically, I am almost done. Like, they're both in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put the marshmallows on top, put it back in for 5 more minutes, and the mac and cheese is gonna be done in 20 minutes. So basically I'm done. All right guys, so everything is done. So I have the candied yams and mac and cheese.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
This is my makeup so far. I had the camera on my setting spray, so I'm gonna take my setting spray now and use that to set everything. I don't know if I'm gonna do lashes today, to be honest. Like, I might just keep it like this. Hopefully it doesn't fall and break one day. I haven't given an official review on this setting spray yet, but unofficially it is amazing. So I just got dressed. This is the outfit I'm wearing. It's just a dress from Zara, and I really like it. It's so pretty. I think it's perfect for Thanksgiving. Just the colors just reminds me of Thanksgiving, so that's what I'm wearing. You guys, this necklace is literally from Target. It's from Bobble Bar. They have a line at Target, and it's like super affordable. It's really good stuff. Alright guys, so this is the table we have set up upstairs. We got these flowers, beautiful, and then set up. Once we get the food on here, it's gonna look even better, you know. But yeah, you know, period. These are my parents. Products of the two of them. Am I a product of the two? I think so. Oh, and this is high school Jasmine here. Alright guys, so this is our meal. We put everything on the table for like the main course. So we have the candied yams, mac and cheese, some green beans and corn, carrots, the other C, some stuffing over here, beautiful flowers, some corn, the turkey, the star of the show, which is not focusing. This is the turkey. We have some ham over here, some gravy. My mom did the stuffing outside of the turkey, that's why it looks like that. And then some rice, and that is our meal. Yes. Can we get into this? I cannot wait to dive into these dishes. Girl, I'm hungry. Okay, my stomach is rumbling. I'm surprised you can't hear it through the camera because it's like off the chain right now. Like, I don't even think I'm hungry. I think my stomach is just like getting my belly. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures. We're gonna have our family dinner, so you guys are not gonna see me until later on because I'm not really gonna vlog. That's kind of weird. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Is it okay? Oh, did you press it record? You gotta press the other button.
I did the camera again.
Hey guys, welcome today. Welcome. What am I even saying? It's Black Friday. I'm not doing any Black Friday shopping, I guess. But Johnny and I did drive down to the city. I wanted to pick up a lens for my main camera that I use for like my makeup videos and stuff. So we picked up the lens already from BH Photo. Let me show you guys the bag. This is a BH Photo. Although their shipping is really quick. Oh, I see a horse. Let me show you guys. Horsey. Although I think this is like not right, you know, like animal cruelty or something like that, right? Not okay. Good morning guys. Today is Saturday. I'm getting ready to go to the dentist. I'm just throwing on some sunscreen. Yeah. I stayed up so late last night. It was bad. So yeah, I made this appointment for 12 o'clock, so that's good, I guess. It's currently like 11 o'clock, so I need to get down because it's in the city. Oh, my hands are so ashy. Oh, that's where I'm heading right now. I'm gonna throw on these sunglasses. These are the Desi and Quay Sunglasses. I actually have not picked up anything from Desi's sunglasses line. They were sold out when I tried to get them, so. All right, so we just got to the dentist. I actually have my purse, and I also brought my backpack because I have my laptop just in case I decide to edit, because I brought my video that I'm working on. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to, but if I do, then I'm gonna edit a little bit. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. The dentist appointment went really well. I do have to go back to fix one of my old fillings. So yeah, that's what I have to do. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside now. I actually edited a decent amount of the video I was working on, so I'm really happy about that. Like, I did like most of it while I was sitting there. because I waited for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go inside now, see what is going on in my house. It's my book bag. Hey y'all, so I just got done recording a video. I did a holiday look for December because December is literally this week, so I wanted to start doing my Vlogmas videos, which will be vlogs but also makeup beauty videos that are Christmas themed. I'm gonna close this vlog out because I want to edit it for tomorrow, and I'll talk to you guys in next week's vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed this little my lash is stuck. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.